Hey guys, so boom, been through the lectures so far, and well done for keeping up to this point.
Yeah, you've all done well to keep going and listen to our amazingly exciting voices, especially his.
Yeah, this is really great.
that is pretty much how Matt speaks all day long.
I do have a terribly deep voice. Anyway,
Sorry, what? You lost me there.
It's time for you now to get started. We don't want to overload you with information.
Yeah.
May have already done that. It is a lot to take in. Once your head's around it, though, it's actually really, really simple.
Yeah, we want to just make this course quite detailed, and we want to make sure that you all got the best start. So we thought, at this point in the course, let's just take some action. We don't want you to have any fears or worries or anything like that. We want you to get started. So get a listing, take those items off Amazon like we showed you, and we want you to sort of get on your way. And then the next videos will be more about maintenance, returns, item not received cases.
Things that are going to happen to you after you've got started. And, that's why, as John said, we wanted a really detailed course, but I think here's a perfect cut-off point. Go do what you've already been taught to do. Get started, get it all set up. You don't want to let too much information scare you off or anything. This is a fantastic business module. It really is life-changing. So definitely make the start. I'd suggest maybe in a week's time, come back, start looking through the rest of the lectures, maybe spend another day on it, and familiarise yourself with the issues which may arise.
Yeah, and get involved in the support group as well. Really get talking to the other guys in there, all the students. We're all helping each other. Every day there's always something someone thinks of, or there's something we've got to deal with. It's like the quickest way to learn. When we started, we didn't have that. And then me and Matt got talking, and we got involved, and then we got other people involved, and now we've got this amazing support group. And this is what led us to the course. So, get involved with everyone, and, it'll help you along your way, your dropshipping journey.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. But just so you know, guys, when you do encounter issues, we have just below in the further lectures, we've covered it all.
Yeah.
If you get a return, you don't know what to do, watch the videos. You get a violation coming through, watch the videos.
Yeah.
PayPal case, watch the videos.
And the good thing is that we're going to be posting more stuff on YouTube and more stuff in the course as well. We want your feedback, so we want people to tell us, hey, actually, how about this? Or I'm worried about this. If we get people saying, flagging things up, we're going to add it. We're going to make sure that you guys have got all the support you can need.
Definitely. So, guys, go get started, and in a week's time, we'll see you in the other videos.
Smash it.
Good luck.